So if you're looking for an awesome set of floor liners, you came to the right place. I just picked up a set of TuxMat floor liners. I'm about to install my 2017 Ford F-150 behind me. I'm gonna go through the whole process. I'm gonna do an open box, I'm gonna install them, show you what that's all about. All right, y'all, so first I gotta show you this box. This thing's pretty cool. So first off, it's got even a QR code here on top. Shows you how to build a car for the kiddos. So I thought that was pretty cool how to share it. All right. Down the side, keep anything cracked. It covers it like more space than any other floor mat I've seen out there as far as keeping your carpets clean and stuff. Here's the nice logo. So it's got a little thing you pull back, protect it during shipping. All right. Here's a spot, you know, for when you obviously when you put your feet when you push the pedal. And here is what comes with it. So let's get this opened up. Those are all the clips that help secure it in place. I went, you know, I don't have any floor mats at all in the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the driver's side and we'll get that slid in real quick. All right, for the driver's side, it's pretty simple. You just wanna line the holes up with the grooves in the carpet. All right, and click like place just like that. On the other side. All right, put your clips on it, tuck them in there. All right, as you can tell, we have it's looking really good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one more clip. See how it kind of pops up just a little bit here. And honestly, this will lay down over times, but I'm gonna use a piece of Velcro, one of these Velcro ones right here. I'm gonna put another one right there, just so we're locked down real well. First thing you wanna do is clean this area off real good, which I've already done that. We're gonna take this, fill it back. What I like to do is get it perfectly lined up where you want it. Okay, and we're going to tuck it on the mat and then push down. All right, see, that's a great spot now. I'm going to do the same thing down at this end right here. Let's go pull this tag off. So well, it just covers all the carpet. Fits just like a glove. It goes right into place. You get it clipped in just like the other side. Alright, so in the back, gonna be a little bit different for me than you guys because I got this speaker box. But basically, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift that box up, set it right on the floor mat. But what's important, let me pull this back. Box back again a little bit. Down through here, get the mat to kind of tuck underneath this lip, if you will, on yours. On the back, you just look right up here. Just let me put the box back. I gotta tell you, I'm super excited. I had this box custom built, and it just, you know, to match my seats, and it just really pops with the TuxMat floor mat. Pull these seats down. We're gonna get some clips, lock this in place. I'll let you take a good look at everything. All right, these are supposed to be waterproof, so let's check it out. That's definitely not a Zorba. Over here. And this area here is nice and clean. I'm going to work on a flat surface here, and basically line this up where it's right on the top. And then I'm going to pull this back, push that, put it on the top, and then line it exactly where I want it. So I push pressure down. Okay. All right, let's take a look at it. And again, I got extra clips left. There we go. All right, I want to see how easy these are to clean. I've been driving this around for about a week, and let's see how easy it is to wipe it off. So I got this isopropyl alcohol. Let's give it a spray. This stuff is just going to show you how easy it is to wipe this thing down. So see, you got pretty good and wet. Take my microfiber towel, run it through. See how well it cleans up. And that's all I used was that alcohol. And look at that. Got a little dust bunnies over here gonna get. But look at that. All right, gang, let's wrap this up. So hopefully this video is helpful to you. If so, hit the like button. If you like content like this, subscribe as well. I got several things coming up on both the Silverado behind me and the F-150 right here. Yeah, I like Fords and Chevys both. I will drop a link down below. Hit me up on social media if you're not done already, at F-150_boss. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, you know, you name it. And anyway, share a photo of your truck, and I'm gonna put up my next video just to show people, hopefully, that as a group we're just crushing life. That's what I want to see. You guys hit your dreams with your builds out there and all those things. So anyway, thank you for watching, thank you for support, and have an awesome day.